how to fix format the disk in drive before you can use it problem. If you're facing a problem of format the disk in the drive before you can use it, then what you can do is just simply go with this PC and make sure in which disk you are facing the problem. So for example, if I'm facing the problem in the disk G, then what you can do is just simply open up your command prompt, go with run as administrator, click on yes, and it will take you to this kind of interface, right? So what you need to do is just simply enter a command. So the command goes like CHKDSK space. In my case, for example, I'm just having some problems with the volume G. So I'll just enter G and then colon space forward slash F and then hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, then it will format the disk, and after that, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix format the disk in Drive before you can use it problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.